Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gender prediction using machine learning. Just to remind you of what we learned in our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we learned about the meaning of project, requirement of project, project demo, meaning of loading dataset, why do we need to load a dataset, and how to do. So in this video, we are going to check the missing vales and handling them. Means we are going to check and handle missing vales. And this is done by Pandas, one of a powerful data analysis and exploration tool in Python. So by starting, what is the meaning of missing vales? As it says itself, missing vales means are the vales which are not present but they supposed to be present. It is known that our dataset is made up of columns and rows. So within a column, if there is no any value, that's a missing value. Or in a row, if there is no a value, that is missing value. So the meaning of missing values are those values which are not present in a row or column, but they supposed to be present. Yes. And why do we need to handle missing values in machine learning data science in Pandas? When you train a logarithm with a dataset full of missing values, it brings confusion to our logarithm and it ready to bad model after creating or after developing a model. So if you are teaching a machine how to predict a gender while your dataset have missing values, it brings confusion. It can lower the accuracy of a logarithm and it can lead to bad model created by you. So we need to handle missing values by checking if there is missing values and handling them. So so far so nice. We have covered the meaning of missing values and why do we need to handle them. Why do we need to to fix them? So the last part of this video is how can we handle missing values. This is my blog post from motecap.com, how to handle missing values in Python Pandas. So before handling or before checking and handling missing values, we need to check, we need to determine if we have missing values in our dataset. So here, before I check or I determine if there is missing values in dataset, let me display the shape. I need to show number of rows and columns in my dataset. So data.shape, then run this cell. As you can see, we have about 125 and 80 rows, and we got only 2 columns, which is name and sex. So this is the shape. This is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. So the next step after displaying our shape of dataset is to check the missing values. So data dot isnull asks the dataset if it have any null or missing values, and it returns true if there is missing values. So data dot is null bracket dot sum bracket. We need to count the total number of missing values in our data set. So let me learn this cell. Learn this cell. Now you can see we have name. There is name, single name missing, and a single sexy missing. So in a column of name, there is missing name, and on the column of sex, there is missing sex. Means by total we have two missing values. There is a name missing in our data set, and there is a sex missing. So let me open our data set to see if we can easily see our missing values. So this is the column of name, this is the column of sex. So we have one missing name and one missing sex. So let me clearly see. Yes, as you can see, in row number 12, we have a missing name. Let me scroll, let me scroll, let me scroll, let me see. Let me see if I can easily see. Yes, this is the missing name. And do we have missing sex? Yeah, here there is missing sex. Aris got name but don't have sexy. So these row number 9 and the row number 12 got missing varies. Aris miss sex and row number 12 miss name. So that is how to check missing varies in Python Pandas. So the next step is to drop the missing varies. We have determined if we got missing varies, and the next step is to handle or fix them. So I'm just going to use one method of dropping. I need to drop all rows which contain missing varies. So data dot drop na, drop na, then how, put na. So we need to drop any missing any column or any rows of missing values should be deleted. Let me explain this clear. It means that this is a row, so we need to drop any row which have missing column. Also, we need to drop this row because it have missing column. This have missing column of sex and this have missing column of name. So we need to drop all rows which have missing values. So data.drop na, how na, then run this cell. As you can see, there are changes. Is about 2 rows are deleted. We had before here we displayed a shape of dataset. We had 125, 100 sharing, and 80, but now we have 125, 100,000, and 78. So this is how we can drop missing values. This is how to determine and handle missing values in Python Pandas. So this is the end of our second YouTube tutorial in gender prediction tutorial series using machine learning. In next video, we are going to learn about data conversion. So do not forget to like, put comment, and subscribe so as you can't miss our frequent YouTube updates of our video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.